Hi, my name is Ranjan Majumder. In this tutorial, I will explain some interesting elements of HTML. Some of these elements are used in multimedia, and rest of the elements are vastly used in HTML5. These elements are tracked, TT, HR, WBR, and param. The first element is tracked. At first, I am opening the Visual Studio Code Editor. To explain the track element, we have to use video element. In my last tutorial, I used width attribute. Again, I am using width attribute. I am setting 300 as width and 300 as height. I am using controls here. We all know that controls is basically used for play, pause and sound. Here I am using source tag src html3.mp4 type equals to video by mp4. The new tag I am going to explain, that is track. The track tag is used to add subtitle, caption or any other form of text which displayed when a media file plays. In this tutorial, the media file or the video file is html3.mp4. So the attributes of tag is, first is source. Here I am using html3.vdt. A file with vdt extension contains the subtitle. Subtitle, source lang, that means source language is EN. EN means English. Here an HTML developer can use FR. FR means French. BN means Bengali. Label English. I am really very sorry to say that I do not have VTT file here. This means I do not have subtitle file here, but this is the syntax. MP4 should used at first, later VTT. If VTT file exists, then subtitle. So track tag used for subtitle only. I am saving it and I am running it. You can see at present you cannot see anything as subtitle because I have already said that there is no VTT file in my repository. So it will not show any subtitle here. But this is the syntax. If you have VTT file, then it will obviously show the subtitle in a media file place. The next element is TT. TT used to define text as monospace or fixed with fonts. It would be rendered as teletype, text only screen or line printer on the browser. So suppose I am writing here Ranjan. If I save it and refresh it, you can see here, you can see, okay, I am commenting the entire portion. Then you can understand. You can see Ranjan. Each and every alphabet of this text have equal width. The next tag is HR. Tutorial you can see video tag is a non-empty tag, TT is a non-empty tag, but HR does not have any closing tag. That means HR is an empty tag. So an HTML developer can simply write HR to show a horizontal line. You can see a horizontal line. I am using here global attribute style 10px color red. If I save it and refresh it, nothing is visible. Okay, do one thing. I am using background color red, you can see. So HR tag supports global attributes, event attributes also, whereas track tag, I have forgotten to say that track tag also supports global attributes and event attributes. So the next tag is WBR tag. WBR tag represents a line break opportunity or line break if necessary. If the text of a document crosses the viewport, then it will automatically come on next line. If an HTML developer uses WBR element and if the content within WBR crosses the viewport, then it will automatically come on next line. Here I am explaining WBR. I am closing it. Suppose I am writing Ranjan Majumder is a senior software. He has 10 years of experience. He likes coding. I am saving it. Represent the web page. You can see the line within WBR has not crossed the viewport. That is the reason it is not coming on next line. If I the page, if I reduce the viewport, you can see the line has automatically come on next line. You can get the same feel using CSS. The CSS property is word wrap colon wrap. Using word wrap colon wrap, you will get the same output. So for line break, an HTML developer either can use WBR element or can use CSS. The CSS property is word wrap colon wrap.